keep going here. All right, so let's look at this right here.
Mhm.
3 fewer than 11. 3 fewer than 11. What does that sound like?
Fewer is sub, and then the product is multiplication,
Right.
and 5 and 3 fewer than 11. So do I give you the final answer or?
Sure, if you can tell me which one it is.
Mm,
My hint is to look for the one that's got 11 minus 3 in it.
yeah. Oh, so it's two. I don't know if it's 2 B or C.
Yeah, they look really similar. The difference is these parentheses. The
Uh-huh.
parentheses tell you to do that part first. And
Mm.
that is correct here. So and this is an English language thing, but you're supposed to know to do 3 fewer than 11 before the product.
Okay.
I don't have the right words to try to explain that to you right now, but
Mhm.
we'll just go with it.
Mhm.
Okay, let me get the next one snipped in. All right, so let me box in the part that I want you to focus on. Twice 5, twice 5.
Mm. So it's
Which of these has twice 5 in it?
mm, C or
So
twice 5.
so
Oh, it's
B, C, and D all have twice 5 in it.
yeah.
Actually, A does too, but it's not in the parentheses in the right place.
Mm. Yeah.
Okay, so the quotient of means you've got to have division,
Mhm.
and 20 has to start. So it's 20 quotient, and then it's either 2 times 5, or it's 20 quotient 2 times 5. So the difference is that this first one, you do the parentheses first,
Mhm.
and that's why it would be correct.
Okay. Okay.
All right, so these problems are now going, excuse me, going backwards. So the difference here is you have to figure out, well, which of these 4 phrases actually is that expression. And a lot of them look correct. A lot of them really
Yeah.
do. How do I want to even explain this? So if in terms of what you would do first, we talked about order of operations, didn't we?
Yes.
So in terms of order of operations, you would do this part first.
Yeah.
So you're looking for something that says the product of 4 and 7.
Okay.
Do any of these say the product of 4 and 7?
A product of 4. Yes.
Which one?
C.
C. And so it's the sum of 16
Mhm.
and the product of 4 and 7. That sort of gives it away.
Okay.
All right, let's go on to the next one.
Okay.
I would totally understand if these are really difficult. They're very nuanced. So our language isn't very helpful here. So again, like the thing that you would do first here is you would divide.
Mhm.
So which one has something about a quotient between 84 and 4?
D.
But there's a word sum right in the middle.
Oh yeah.
We were looking for something that says quotient 84, 4.
C.
Yeah, there's that part.
Mhm.
And then the 3 more than is the plus.
Yes.
So yes. Okay, let's look at another one here.
Okay.
Okay, so whenever you see something in parentheses, that's where you want to focus on.
Mhm.
Which one says something like 10 minus 6 or 10 less than 6 or 10 fewer than 6? Which one or 6 fewer than 10? Actually, that would be the correct 6 fewer of 10.
A.
Yeah, the difference of 10 fewer than 6 and 3. Yes. Very good. These are awkward. Very awkward. All right, last one on this grouping of questions.
Mhm.
So it says, which situation could this expression represent? Let's focus on the second part first, because you do division first. That's
Okay.
where you first cut something in half or divide by 2.
Mhm.
So which of these says that you cut something in half, meaning the $4 or the 4?
Something. I only see she gave half, or they gave half the total. But
So it's got to be half the $4.
so C.
So I'm looking at A. So it's Carly had $4, then she gave half her money to Joe.
Mm-hmm.
So that like half of that would be $2
Yeah.
for divided by 2. But he already had $9. So you're adding it to his $9. This one's a little tough. I would
Yeah.
I don't like the way these are written. Okay, let's try a few more.
Okay.
All right, so go ahead and give this problem a try. I'm gonna just step away for 30 seconds, but I'll be right back.
Okay. 8 more than the quotient of 32. Sure.
All right. Do you have any questions? Do you need a hint?
No, I think I already found it.
Okay, what is your correct answer?
A.
It is A, yeah. Very good. All right, let's look at another one. Oh no. So these are good. We're about to
Yeah.
do it's just that there's no multiple choice anymore. So let me snip these in. Okay, so you have to try to write the expression.
Okay.
And I'll let you work through those. If you have questions, please ask.
Do I tell you like
Yeah,
what it is and
yeah,
then
as
the
you
order?
go. Yeah, or any of the ones that you know.
Mhm. Okay, so the first one, the order. I think you said that the order does matter for dividing.
It does, yeah.
So 35 divided by 5,
Very good.
and then after 35 times 5, so that's multiplication.
Okay,
And then after 35 minus 5,
that's correct.
and then quotient is division, so 35 divided by 5.
Perfect. Really, really good. These are the kinds of problems I would definitely want to make sure that you knew how to do. So a couple more here. There's 4 more on this page. Okay. Same thing here whenever you're ready.
Okay. Sum is addition, so 35 plus 5,
Good.
and then after more than, that's also addition, 35 plus 5.
Yeah,
And
it's since it's more than, it means like start with the 35 and then add to it. Yeah, good.
okay, and then the product multiplication, so 35 times 5,
Okay,
and then less is subtraction, so 35 minus 5.
really good. All right, so here we go. Another one for you to try here on your own. Getting through a lot of content today. So just give this one a try. If you need a hint, let me know, but it's one we've already looked at a couple times today.
So do I tell you the final answer? Like,
Yes, yes.
okay. Okay, I think I got it.
Okay, what is your answer?
7 times 6 minus 4.
Yes, that's perfect. All right.
Okay.
All right. The next one here. I know I'm just asking you to do these, but if I just tell you the answer, it doesn't, there's not really like me showing you a sample problem.
Yeah.
But the fact that you're able to do these on your own is awesome. It's really good.
Okay. So do I do this one on my own or?
Yes, please.
Okay. Okay, I got it.
What is your answer?
C.
Yeah, that's great. There are students taking high school algebra that just struggle with this. So it's a fantastic that you're able to do it on
Thank
your
you.
own.
Yeah.
Did you say you like to read? Are you
No, for me.
not yet? Okay. All right. Whenever you see these
Hmm.
check boxes, that means there's probably more than one.
Yeah.
I'll check these as well, but there probably is more than one answer. But go ahead and take a look at this and let me know.
So I can tell you more than one.
Yes. There are two correct answers.
Okay. Hmm. Okay, got it.
Okay, what are your answers?
A and B.
A and B. That's correct. All right. Let me just see here. I mean, that's probably it. I mean, I don't see any reason for us to continue working on this. You kind of got it down as far as you need to. I'm sure your brother could use a little extra time today, so let's call it here
Okay.
for you. And whenever Michael's ready, have him jump on.
Okay, bye. Thank you.
You're welcome. Bye now.
Hello.
Hey, Michael, how are you today?
Good.
So last time we were working on long division. Do you want us to continue working on that or go to something from your class?
Go to something to my class.
Okay. I'm just going to your lesson. Looks like you're doing something with fractions bigger than one. It looks like we're doing something with improper fractions and mixed numbers. For some reason, they're showing vegetables. I don't understand that, but that's what they did here. All right. Okay, let me give you an example here. So let's say I give you a fraction that is 8 divided by 7. Okay, this is called an improper fraction. Have you seen that before?
Not really.
So it's improper, and the reason is the top is larger than the bottom.
Okay.
That's what makes it improper. All right, now this fraction can be written in another way. It can be written as 1 and 1/7. Now, sometimes students can just say, oh, I see how you got that. Do you have any idea how I got that?
No.
Okay, so let's do it. Let's not do that. Let's do it a different way. 8/7 is really 8 divided by 7. Okay, which means that 7 goes on the outside, 8 goes on the inside. How many times does 7 go into 8?
One time.
One time. And then 1 times 7 is 7. You subtract. 8 minus 7 is 1. So this right down here is called your remainder. Have you seen that before?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So this number up top here, this is your quotient. So the way you write your answer is quotient and then remainder over divisor. So the divisor is the 7 here. So in your problem, the quotient is 1, the remainder is also 1, and the divisor is 7.
Ooh.
So we're going to do a bunch of problems. I just want to. My impression is that you probably have never seen this before. Is that right? Michael,
Yeah.
have you ever seen this before?
No.
Okay, let's do another example. Let's say it's 5 divided by 3, 5/3.
Okay.
So you take the 5, you divide it by 3. 3 goes on the outside. 5 goes on the inside. How many times does 3 go into 5?
One time.
1 time. 1 times 3 is 3. You subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2. That's your remainder. This 1 is your quotient, and the 3 is the divisor. So you write your answer this way: quotient, remainder over divisor. So the quotient is 1, the remainder is 2, and the divisor is 3.
Okay.
Now so let's look at what we started. We started with 5/3 and we wrote 1 and 2/3.
Did you get your 10? Oh, yeah. Good.
Okay.
Do you see at all how these two are related now, or is that still unclear?
A little bit unclear.
Got it. Let's keep doing some examples. Let's go 19 divided by 6. 19 divided by 6. So that means 6 goes on the outside. 19 goes on the inside. How many times does 6 go into 19?
Three times.
3 times. 3 times 6 is 18. You subtract and get 1. So this number down here on the bottom is the remainder. This number up here on the top is the quotient. The divisor is 6. So you write your answer as the quotient, remainder over divisor.
Okay.
All right, so that's 3 for the quotient. Remainder is 1, and the divisor is 6.
Okay.
You got
I
that
got
down?
it. Yeah.
All right. So here's one for you to try. 21 divided by 8. I want to know 3 things. I want to know the quotient, the remainder, and the divisor.
Yeah, that's it.
How are you doing on this one, Michael?
I'm getting confused with the quotient and stuff.
Okay, how many times does 8 go into 21?
2 times.
Okay, what is 2 times 8?
16.
So when you subtract 21 minus 16, what's the result?
5.
Okay, so 5 is the remainder, 2 is the quotient, 8 is the divisor.
Mm,
So how would you write this over here? What number comes first?
The quotient
What is the quotient in our problem?
8
8?
divided by 21.
No, you gotta get right the remainder. What's the remainder?
5.
Over
21.
21. Good. Good. Okay. Where did you get stuck on the division?
I got stuck on the one that had the quotient. I mean the divisor.
Okay, let's try another one. See if we can correct this here. Let's go 27 over 11, or 27 divided by 11.
Is 11 is the divisor and 2 is the quotient and 5 is the remainder.
Yes, that's perfect. You want to say it in this order though: quotient, remainder, divisor. Meaning you would say 2, the way you read this is 2 and 5 over 11.
Okay.
Something like that. Okay, let's try another one. This is really good. Actually, I've got the one from your assignment. Let's try this.
Wait, I'll be right back.
Okay,
I gotta go bathroom. Okay. I'm back.
okay, Michael. So here is a mixed. Here's one that I want you to look at. It's 19 divided by 12.
I got it.
Okay, what do you have there?
I got 19 as a divisor and
Okay, hang on. I want it as quotient, remainder, divisor.
okay. So 19 is the 19 is the divisor and
You got to do it in this order, Michael. That's part of this. Is it's Q, then R, then D. What is the quotient? What was the number up top
1.
here? 1 and what's the remainder?
7.
Over?
19.
No. What is the
12.
divisor? 12. Yes. So say that out loud. 1 and 7 over 12.
1 over 7.
Okay, so it's 1 and 7 over 12.
1 and 7 over 12.
Okay, so the way that they want you to answer these, I'll just show you that here. Your result, 1 and 7 over 12, 1 and 7 over 12, like that. Okay, let's try another one. You're doing really well, but this is the order it has to be in: quotient, quotient, and remainder over divisor. Quotient and remainder over divisor. I know the letters aren't in order, but that's just the way these are done. Okay, let's look at a new problem here. Let's look at 28 over 5.
Okay.
So I want you to again tell me the quotient, remainder, and divisor, please.
I got it now.
Okay, what is your quotient?
The quotient is 5,
Okay, your remainder.
3,
Okay, and your divisor.
5.
Yes,
Like 20. Yeah.
yes, that's excellent. Okay, so the way the problem is presented, it's exactly what you just did. I'm just gonna get the entire problem so you can see it now. They ask you about 28 over 5. That's what you did. And then you take your answer and it goes over here. So you'd have to fill in the appropriate boxes.
Okay.
Okay, so let's have you try a new problem, start to finish. This is great. You're doing really well. I mean, this is kind of the culmination of the semester, is you being able to do some problems like this on your own. So go ahead and figure it out, the mixed number.
Okay. I got it. So the quotient is 3
Okay.
and
And
the remainder is 10.
yes, awesome. Really good. Excellent. Okay. Got another one here for you to do.
No.
All All right, same thing.
Okay.
I have it.
Okay.
So the quotient is 6 and the
Okay.
remainder is 5 and the divisor is
Nope, no, the remainder is not 5.
6.
Nope, you had it right. I mean, the quotient is 6. What number did you put up top here? You have it. You have it. I'm just asking, and I'm not questioning you.
6.
6. What is 6 times 4?
I can't see it. 22.
6 times 4. Are you not able to see my screen?
Yeah.
Can you get back to where you can see the screen?
Okay, 24.
24. When you subtract these, what is the result?
Three.
3. Good. Okay. Now, this is kind of important here. In every single problem we've done, the remainder is always less than the divisor.
Okay.
Do you see that the 3 here, sorry, here, the 3 is less than the 4?
Yeah.
Let's go back to the previous problem. Do you see how the 10 is less than the 12?
Yeah.
The 3 is less than the 5. 7 is less than 12. The remainder is always, always, always less than the divisor. Okay. Just asking here, is your sister giving you any help on these, or are you doing all these on your own?
She's gone.
Okay.
Uh,
All right. But have you been doing these on your own?
yeah.
Great. That's fantastic. Okay. So now let's go the other direction. And you're like, what do you mean by that? Let's go the other direction here. So let me snip in a problem. Okay. So it says, what improper fraction is equal to 3 4/5? Okay. So let me give you the answer. And let me tell you how we get the answer. So do you see how that bottom number is the same?
Yeah.
That's always the case. The bottom number is always the same. The top number, the way you get the top number is you take 3 times, sorry, let me do this in the correct order. 5 times 3, 5 times 3 plus 4. What is 5 times 3, Michael?
15.
Okay, plus 4,
19.
19. And do you see how that becomes the top number?
Yeah.
Good. Why don't you write this down? We'll look at another couple of problems here.
Yeah, I got it down.
All right, so let's look at another problem here. Okay, so again, that bottom number, that 12 becomes the bottom number of your improper fraction. The 12 just comes down. To find the top number, you take the 12 on the bottom and you multiply it by 5, 12 times 5, and then you add to it the number above it. Do you have your multiplication table? Can you tell me what 12 times 5 is?
60.
60. And then 60 plus 11, can you tell me what that is?
Mm, mine.
60 plus 11, Michael.
Oh. 71. I thought it
71,
was
yeah.
times.
No, you're adding, you multiply the two numbers on the outside and then you add that next one. So it's 71 over 12.
Okay.
All right, so here's another one. This one's much easier than the last one. The numbers are much smaller. Okay, what improper fraction is equal to 1 and 1/2? So what number goes on the bottom, Michael?
2.
2. What is the top? The top is 2, this 2 on the bottom, times 1 plus the other 1. 2 times 1 plus the other 1. So you first have to multiply and then add.
Okay. 2 times 1 is 2 and 2 plus 1 is 3.
Good. So it's 3 over 2. Do you see the algorithm? Do you see how to do this?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. So the nice thing is for your problems and and we've been doing those. So that's why you'll see these again. They're already giving you the bottom number. Do you see how they're already giving you the 6?
Yeah.
You just have to figure out the top. So I'd like you to try figuring out the top on this one, please. If you have questions, please ask.
I gotta go to the bathroom.
Michael, that's going to end our lesson for today. So I will send you the notes here and I'll see you after holidays. Thank you so much.